Hey there, welcome to A Penny for Your Future. If you're looking to take control of your finances, save more money, or just feel less stressed about your spending, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to set up a personal budget. Stick around, it's simpler than you think, and I promise your future self will thank you. Okay, so when we track where your money is going, we have to look at it and honestly say to ourselves, nobody else, but we have to talk honestly one person, that's the person in the mirror. We need to be able to say that I'm overspending on, say, Netflix. I've got 2 Netflix accounts. I don't need them. I only need one. Or do I watch Netflix often enough to even need one? Just a matter of looking to see where you're actually spending your money and why you're spending your money there. Now, 2, you also get to plan for future goals. You know, like buying a house. That's a big goal and a big purchase. So, you know, you got to plan for it. And the unnecessary debt, which means things such as buying Starbucks $12 coffees, or buying, meals out all the time. Once in a while, it's okay to splurge, but it's not something you want to do every single day. You want to make it to where it's a once in a while splurge. So that is what a budget does for you. It keeps you on track. It keeps you looking towards the future. It'll keep you from avoiding those detours that suck your money away from you. First, let's talk about why budgeting is so powerful. A budget helps you, 1, track where your money is going. 2, plan for future goals like buying a house or going on that dream vacation. 3, avoid unnecessary debt by spending within your means. Think of a budget as your financial GPS. It keeps you on track and helps you avoid detours. So now that we know why budgeting matters, let's get started. Step 1, understand your income. The first step in setting up a budget is understanding your income. Take note of all the money you have coming in each month. This includes your salary, side hustles, freelance work, or any other sources. Now, write this down or type it into a spreadsheet. For example, if you make $3,000 a month after taxes, that's your starting point. Now, we're at step 2. We're going to track your expenses. Now, let's look at your expenses. This step is all about awareness. Track everything you spend for at least 1 month. This includes fixed expenses such as rent, utilities, and car payments, car insurance, and stuff like that. Variable expenses are also included, and that's like groceries, dining out, and entertainment. Irregular expenses are considered to be subscription, annual fees, and one-off purchases. Now, you can use a notebook, or a spreadsheet, or a budgeting app to log your expenses. Now, you might be surprised where your money is going. For example, the daily coffee run might be costing you $100 a month. Awareness is the first step to making changes. And I can tell you from personal experience, I had to give up drinking sodas because I am addicted to them. And if I had the money, I'd spend probably $100 a month easy on buying sodas. And that's not a good thing to do. So you need to look very closely at the irregular expenses, because the irregular ones, like buying a Starbucks coffee for $12, don't take much to add up to $100. It's just a matter of you doing what you need to do to save that money, stay on track, and continue to be surprised at how fast your money will grow. The goal is to assign every dollar a job. That way you'll always know where your money is going. Step 3, categorize and set limits. Now, let's categorize your expenses. Divide them into buckets like housing, 30% of your income, transportation, 15% of your income, saving, 20% of your income, wants and desires, 15% of your income, and other essentials such as food and clothing, 20% of your income. Now, it's important that we stick to that kind of a formula because that helps us with reaching our savings goals and reaching any of our desires that we're working toward. Like if you're saving for a house one day, well, that would help you get there faster because you're putting 20% of your paycheck in there each week, or each payday you're putting in 5%. So you wind up putting in 20% monthly, is the way I would do it. So it totals out to 20% of my monthly income. Now, what you want to use is the 50-30-20 rule as a starting point. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for saving. You can adjust these percentages based on your lifestyle and goals. Automation makes budgeting a lot easier. You can set up automatic transfers to your savings account on payday. You can use auto pay for bills. That way you don't forget paying your bills and avoid late fees. And also, you don't want to forget to check your budget weekly or monthly to stay on track. It's easy to forget about that budget once you get it going. So you want to stay on track as long and as strong as possible because this way you don't get behind. Now, I can tell you this much. There are apps that you can get for your phones that will alert you when you're nearing your monthly spending limit. I strongly suggest that you get an app and set it up on your phone. That way, the one device that we all use everywhere we go is our phone. And we will have it no matter what we do. And we'll be able to maintain our plan for our goals, and we'll reach our goals more efficiently. Common challenges that are faced when you are setting a budget. Sticking to a budget can be tough at first, so here's a few things and a few tips. Number 1, start small. Don't aim for perfection. Set savings goal, let's say $100 for the first month, and then you'll raise it up slowly for each month after that till you reach your monthly goal that you're set for yourself. The next thing is you want to build in some fun money, so you don't feel deprived. So you can go out to, say, a movie or out to dinner. And then the other thing you need to do is review your goals and your budget and adjust it to your lifestyle changes. Remember, budgeting is a journey, not a one-time task. Now that you know how to set up a personal budget, it's all about awareness, planning, and consistency. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on managing your money like a pro. And hey, let me know in the comments what one thing that you are saving for right now. I'd love to hear about your goals, what your accomplishments are in your savings journey. So if you would, give me that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And you have a wonderful day. Bye.